so in this video we are going to see a recruitment news from BEL or Bharat Electronics Limited. So there is a recruitment happening for the post of Project Engineer 1 and there is 19 vacancies. Okay, so we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. Okay, so the recruitment is happening from Bharat Electronics Limited and also they have given the place of posting as, even though the recruitment is happening from BEL Bangalore, the positions of posting will be in Kerala. It will be in various districts across Kerala. Okay, so the place of posting is in Kerala state. Okay, so if you are interested in willing to travel to the Kerala various locations, if you are interested in working in Kerala state, only then you should be applying to this post. Okay, so the post name is Project Engineer 1 and there is 19 vacancies and the upper age limit is 28 years is the age limit, and also they are asking an experience of minimum 2 years post qualification experience you require. Okay, so that is regarding the age limit and the vacancies. Now let us see the qualification requirement. The qualification is BE or BTech in either electronics or electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication or electronics, electrical and electronics, or BE BTech mechanical. Okay, so these are the qualifications requirement, and also you should be having a first class if you are belonging to general and economically weaker sessions and OBCs, and for the SC/ST and persons with disabilities you require only pass class. That is, for your BE BTech you should require first class for general categories, OBC and EWS, and for SC/ST and persons with disabilities pass class is only required. Okay, so that is a qualification requirement. Now talking regarding whether the job is temporary or permanent, it is actually for a period of maximum of 4 years. They have actually given the year-wise salary also. For the first year you will be getting 35,000. For the second year it will be 40,000 per month salary it is. Okay, the third year it is 45,000 and fourth year you will be getting 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, so this recruitment or this job vacancies actually for a period of 4 years. Okay, and these are the salaries that you are going to get for the various years. Now talking about the selection process, the selection process weightage is given like this. For your BE BTech mark, 75% of weightage is given, and for your post qualification experience 10% mark is given, and also there will be interview, and probably the interview will be online or video call based interview will be there only, and it is given 15% weightage. Okay, so it is 75% plus 10% plus 15%. So that is the division or weightage given for various things. Okay, and that is a selection procedure. Only there will be interview. Okay, there is no examination. Now talking about the application procedure, the application procedure is online only. In the BEL site, below the advertisement link, you'll be getting a application form, which is an online application form that you can fill it up online by filling up all your necessary details, educational qualification details and everything, and that is the application procedure. So online application is a application procedure, and the last date for applying is 4th of February. You can apply from 20th of January to 4th of February is the last date for applying, and also there is fees for applying. The fees is 500 rupees fees is there, and SC/ST category and persons with disabilities are exempted from paying the fees. Okay, so that's all about the fees detail, and also we have seen the application procedure. Okay, and also they have given through which pathway you should pay the fees. It is through SBI Collect. Okay, you should be paying the fees through SBI Collect. So all these details you will be getting in the notification. So we have seen all details regarding this recruitment. The place of posting is in Kerala. There is 19 vacancies. If you have minimum 2 years of post qualification experience, in which area you would require the experience, everything you will be seeing on the notification. Okay, so if you have all these qualifications, please to see the notification, and if you think that you are eligible, please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, so if you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up, also share with your friends, and if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.